You can grab a traditional meal for about $3. I remember I was having a whole bunch of empanadas and they were 25 cents, which is crazy to me. Empanadas for 25 cents. And I was fucking them up. Are you ready to travel the world without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm gonna show you the top 10 budget-friendly destinations that you need to see in 2024. Whether you're looking for tropical beaches, vibrant cities, or peaceful countryside estates, something like that, these destinations offer incredible experience at prices that you won't even believe. Plus, I will be sharing with you how to live in these top 10 places and how much do you need to have per month to live there. So get ready to pack your bags and let's dive. Number 10, Chiang Mai, Thailand. First off, Chiang Mai, Thailand, the northern city which is known for its rich culture, historic temples, and affordable lifestyle. You can live in Chiang Mai comfortably with easily $800 a month, which include rent, food, and activities. In America, $800 a month, that's probably, it's probably not even just rent, and you're paying for all your expenses in Chiang Mai, Thailand for $800. Street food usually costs a couple dollars, between $1 and $3, depending on what you're getting. If you're getting American food or something from a different country, of course you're gonna pay normal prices or higher prices. But if you get the if you get the Thai food, it's not gonna cost as much. And also, renting a decent apartment is probably like $300 a month, and you have pool, you have a gym, you have restaurants in the place, which is crazy. And don't forget about the stunning landscapes and a mountain for weekend adventure. Chiang Mai is perfect for digital nomads and those looking to balance the city life with the nature life. Number 9 for me will have to be Mexico City. Now, Mexico is an amazing place, but specifically Mexico City is very cheap. This vibrant capital offers a mix of ancient culture and vibrant living. The food is legendary: tacos, empanadas, burritos, espadol, anything like that. The local meals are made. And if you get a local meal, it costs around $3 to $5 or something like that. You can find a decent apartment in a decent neighborhood for about $600 a month. For under $1,200 a month, you can live very comfortably while enjoying the art, music, and history that Mexico City has to offer. This city's energy is actually really unmatched, and it's an excellent hub for travelers exploring Central and South America. Coming in number 8, we have Sofia, Bulgaria. Now, Europe doesn't have to be expensive. There's a lot of cheap countries in Europe, but Bulgaria is one of the cheapest countries in Europe. You'll find affordable living and rich history for about $900 a month, which is not bad compared to American prices. You can live in the heart of the city, explore ancient Roman ruins, and dine at some of the best restaurants in Bulgaria. A rent in Sofia starts as low as $400 a month. That is crazy. And meals are around $3 to $5 each meal. Plus, Bulgaria is part of the European Union. Making travel through Europe can be a breeze because everything is connected in Europe. It's actually a really hidden gem for people who just want to explore different things and go to a place that people don't really get to go to. That is a really good place, a really cheap place. I haven't been there, but I want to go there one day, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to enjoy myself. Okay, coming in at number 7, we have Bali, Indonesia. Now, this island might be known for its luxury resorts and different types of places in Ubud, Chung. I don't know the city's names. But you know. And Bali is actually, prices are going up, but it's still a very good budget destination. You can live in Bali. You can live in Bali for about $1,000, including rent, food, and transportation. That's getting a bike, eating out almost every day, and the activities that you're doing, your rent, everything. Depends. You can live with $1,000 and you will be solid. Or you can rent an Airbnb or a villa for about $500 a month. Enjoy your meals under $3 and soak in some of the tropical beauty. I heard they got clean waters in Bali this time of year. Wait, no, it might be rainy season. I'll get back to you on that. With incredible beaches, incredible mountains, incredible waterfalls, retreats, resorts, everything you can think of, Bali has. And they even grow their food by themselves and they sell their food. So that is the most amazing thing that I see. A place like Bali is for people who want to not spend a lot of money, but still be able to want to have a lot of fun but not spend a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what Bali is really for. You don't want to spend a lot of money, but you still want to go out and have fun and do the things that you could do in America but do it in Bali, because the food is cleaner, the people are nicer. It's just a way better place. It's just a way better place. Okay, coming in at number 6. I do not know how to pronounce this. Bissell, Georgia. I'm thinking it's Bissell, Georgia. Don't get me if I'm wrong. This country is actually rising as a budget destination to travel to, with a cost of around $850 a month, the give and take. Rent is cheap, starting at low as $300 a month, and a hearty local meal costs us about good day $4. This place offers a sense of old charm and modern living. Like, it is amazing. It's with the stunning views of the Caucasus Mountains, which I have not been to yet, and I will be going to. Georgia offers visa-free travel for many nationalities, making it an easy place to stay for an extended period of time. Now, number 5 would have to be one of my favorite places. Medellin, Colombia. Colombia is known for the city. Colombia is known as the city of eternal spring. And some place like Medellin offers good weather year round. It might rain a little bit, but it's not gonna get too bad. It's never gonna get horrible to where you can't leave your house. It's never gonna be like that. For about $900 a month, you can enjoy views of the city from your apartment building, modern amenities, and thriving cultural scene. Rent here is about $400. It can be around $400 to $800, give or take. You can grab a traditional meal for about $3. I remember I was having a whole bunch of empanadas and they were 25 cents, which is crazy to me. Empanadas were 25 cents and I was fucking them up. Medellin is really a place where people who want to get involved with the Latin culture, learn Spanish, learn the food culture, learn the culture of Latin America. Medellin is one of the places to go. It's one of my favorite places in South America. I haven't been to every place yet, but I'm gonna be going soon. So Medellin is one of the best. Number 4, Hanoi, Vietnam. Hanoi, Vietnam comes in at number 4, which is one of the cheapest places in the world that you can go to. You can comfortably live here for about $800 a month, and if you do it right, you could probably spend even less. Rent starts at about $300. And street food, like something like traditional food like pho, costs us about $2. $2 a bowl. So you can spend $4 on a meal. The city is full of history. The city is full of history, vibrant culture, and scenic gaps. And scenic spots. From Hoi Kim, it is really a great place if you want to explore something like Southeast Asia. This is one of the places that you want to really budget. You don't really spend a lot of money. Vietnam is one of the places to go. It's a great country. People are nice there. And you never know. You might meet one of your best friends for the rest of your life there. So and the cost of everything is super low. As long as it's like, if you get street food, you'll probably be good. You probably only need once or twice a day, depending on what you're doing throughout that day. You're probably gonna eat breakfast, then you might eat lunch, then you're gonna eat dinner. That's about it. So say that you spend $2 each meal. Bro, what? You can't even go to a restaurant and spend that much and just be good, bro. You feel me? So start traveling, bro. Coming in at number 3, we have Belgrade, Serbia. Now, I have never been to Serbia because I don't really know anybody from Serbia. I don't know anybody from Serbia. But I would like to go just to see how it is, you know. Just to be one of them places. And you can live in this city for about $900 a month. That's all expenses paid. Rent starts at around $350 to $500, and the meals are about $5. Whether you look for history, nightlife, or river views, Belgrade has something for everybody. And I'm gonna go here one day. And because it is not part of the EU, it is a good thing for people who are trying to get from the Schengen laws. It is ideal for travelers who try to get away from the Schengen area visa restrictions, because the visa restrictions in Europe is crazy. But I'm American, so I don't really have to worry about much of that. So I'm good on that. Coming in at number 2, we have La Paz, Bolivia. Now, I have a friend from La Paz, Bolivia, and they tell me you need to go. It is a beautiful place. I've never been to Bolivia, but I know people who lived out there. And you can live in Bolivia for about $700 a month. $700 a month, and that's on a good month. Rent starts at around $250 US. You can also have delicious local food for about $2, which is amazing to me. Explore the vibrant markets. Take a ride on the world's highest cable car system. And they also have some salt flats out there that goes for miles. I would really suggest you check those out. And it's one of them places that it's one of the cheapest places in the world, and it's one of those places that you can just go to and you can get into almost anything. You want to party, you want a culture life, you want to go sit by the lake, you want to climb some mountains, whatever you want to do, you can do it out there. That's what I'm saying. Like, people say America is expensive, but you can go to other countries and not spend as much money as you do in America. Like, this is crazy. And coming in at number 1, we have Goa, India. Now, this place is known for its golden beaches, laid back vibe, and low cost living. Goa is actually a travel paradise. You can live here for about $600 a month, which is absolutely crazy. I really need to go to this place and see how it is. Rent starts at about $200 a month, and meals cost around $1.50 for each meal. So whether you're into yoga, nightlife, or just relaxing by the beach, Goa offers anything to you. Goa offers anything to you at a budget price. So I would suggest you try some of these places, these top 10 places. So I want to know, which one of these budget destinations would you like to travel to? Whether you're a digital nomad, or a backpacker, or just someone who loves to explore, these places are unbeatable. These places are unbeatable places. These places are unbeatable experience at prices you can't afford in 2024. Don't forget, my mission is to help 100 million travelers to achieve on location freedom, live on a budget, and connect with a global community. And if you're looking for more tips, guides, and exclusive content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the new videos that I will be posting in the future. And also, one more thing, if you want to support this mission, go check out my GoFundMe. Your contributions help me to continue creating content and building a community of global travelers just like you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, safe travels and keep exploring.